Damn it! Ah! What? Ah! 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 What? How can this be? Ah! Ah! What the hell's going on? Damn it! Useless! Weak! Don't make me laugh! Pathetic! Impossible! What? Oh! How dare you! Get out of here! Get lost! Ha! Eat this! You're going to regret this! Damn you! Watch it! Is that all you've got? Don't you toy with me! You won't escape! Take this! This is no place for weaklings! Now you've done it! Out of my sight! There! What you looking at? Ha! Pathetic! Over here! Pitiful! You're not worth my time! Get out of here, Shenron! Grant me my wish right now! Immortality, huh? I'll leave that sort of thing to Frieza. Heal me already! Revive that fool! Yeah! Here! Ta! Sora! Go to hell! On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give you a 3. Big Bang attack! Yeah! Take this! Yeah! Yeah! Get down! You're finished! Don't underestimate a Saiyan's power. This is it! Gallic Gun! You're as good as space dust! Final Flash! Your history! Why, you worthless piece of junk! I too did more than just train. You'll find I'm not as naive as Kakarot. I alone am more than enough. Fine, I've got this. I'll put you to sleep and make sure you never wake up again. Don't ever forget that pain. Get in here! I need help! Get out of my way! Time to switch! I'm not gonna help you next time! Time to switch! Don't order me around! Follow my lead! I have the power, too, to go beyond the legendary Super Saiyan. Should I tell you where you miscalculated? The thing that will send you to your grave is Super Saiyan Blue! This is Super Saiyan Blue. Remember it well. This isn't even the full extent of my power. Try and surpass me if you can. It won't be easy. Don't expect to get a thanks from me. This battle has only made me stronger. Don't ever forget that pain.